Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining us and allowing us to send a video your way. Today is Motivational Monday. So, we all know what's going on in the news, and we do not want to be fearful like a lot of people, but it is a fantastic opportunity for you to have one of the 5 elements that we talk about in order to have a successful cleaning business. You need to have the right money, the right team, the right customers, the right mentor, and the right attitude. Those are some of the things we sent in there. So today we're going to talk about the right customer. And who is the right customer? Well, the right customer is someone that is not looking to pay you just at price, but what type of value you're bringing to the table. And right now, more than ever, is the time to let them know that you're cleaning for health, not for appearance, and not for price. So just to let you know that certain viruses, like the one that is in the news now, can live on surfaces for up to 9 days. So it is so important to make sure that you disinfect if you currently have an account. And if you're looking at getting started in the cleaning industry, like I said, right now is a perfect time to prove what your value is when it comes to keeping a facility nice and clean. So one of the areas that this type of virus can survive is when it's a situation like a metal, like a door handle, desktops, things like that, or areas that it can last anywhere from a couple of hours up to 9 days. This is what the CDC is telling us when you do any kind of research on how long a virus can actually live on surfaces. So tomorrow we may go into a little more on what you can use. Basic bleach, will that work? Disinfectant, will that work? So we'll do a little video on, once you know how long the actual virus can last, what can you do to make sure that you do the disinfectant to kill the virus or eradicate it as much and as soon as possible. So once again, if you've ever thought of starting a cleaning business, right now may be an opportune time to do that. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on what to do and get some of our actual secrets on what we did to get started in the cleaning industry almost 20 years ago, make sure that you sign up for our step-by-step blueprint on starting a successful, profitable cleaning business. If you're interested, make sure you check out the link below, because we're going to have an actual webinar masterclass where we go into step-by-step what to do. It's about an hour, and it's an hour packed of a lot of information. And like I said, we understand that in order to have a successful business, you have to have the right team, the right money, the right clients, the right attitude, and you have to be ready to move forward. So if this sounds like something for you, make sure you check us out on this Thursday, and we'll see you when we see you. Take care. Bye-bye.